Hi everyone, thank you for listening to Down Under Community Radio. Over the next few weeks, I would like to share with you my experiences with credit and hardship. What I've found to be the most useful is the correct and timely advice or information when dealing with credit and hardship. It could save you a lot of money, a lot of stress, and negate a lot of legal issues that could arise from handling it incorrectly. Credit cards, unfortunately, sometimes are a necessary evil. Credit cards are a perfect way to establish a good credit rating. It basically paves the way to make it easier to get a home loan. But look, it sounds easy, but it's not. There's a lot of temptation out there when using a credit card. You have to be disciplined in using it, not only using it, but paying it off as well. Just think of it like dieting. People are really keen to follow a regime when they first start. They can experience a few slip-ups now and then. And look, sometimes life just happens. When it isn't working anymore, you need to reevaluate, take into account what's happening around you, and make up a new plan to achieve what you want to achieve. Unlike dieting, credit card debt unfortunately kind of snowballs. If you don't reevaluate your commitments, your spending in time, it can blow out to unmanageable levels. Yeah, look, this sounds really boring, but it's essential. A lot of people use credit cards to pay the bills, buy essentials, sometimes the nice-to-have items. Some people even use credit cards just to put food on the table when the cash flow goes all the way down. If you use it the right way, it can actually be used to assist you in paying off your home loan, reducing the time that it takes to pay the loan, and thereby saving you thousands of dollars in the end. They're fantastic for short-term cash flow problems, as they don't have an establishment fee, and you can have credit cards with an interest-free period. The downside is, if you miss that interest-free period, you're going to be charged somewhere around 20 to 25% interest. Life happens, and sometimes it's not possible to pay out that credit card during that interest-free period. When you're working, it feels like it's a small amount, that it's affordable to pay it back, and it is. Most of the times it is. But if you experience a lot of bad luck, that small amount can accumulate and snowball over a period of time. Once you're in that vicious cycle, you may be hit with a lot of different fees and charges, and it's really difficult to get out of. Sometimes it feels like there's no light at the end of a tunnel, and it seems like you're getting hit from all sides when you're down. But the best thing that I can tell you is don't ever give up. It does get better. And like I said before, always seek the right timely advice. Implement the 3 Ps. Plan. Without it, it won't happen. Anything you want to add to that, Sam?
Planning sounds good. Like we've always said this morning, planning can prevent a lot of problems.
And a lot of stress.
That's right, a lot of stress.
All right, what we might do is take a 2-minute break. We'll come back with ways to help get rid of that credit card debt. Thanks for listening.
Give you praise. We are mommy, we are mommy. 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 We are, we are, we are, we are, we are, we are. We are mommy, we are mommy. We are mommy. Where am I from to any? Where am I different in the fever when you know? That any name, me, mammy. We are mammy, we are. Where am I from to any? Where am I different in the fever when you know? That any name, me, mammy. We are mammy. Everybody see a shower, Kebedeni. Yada was your if so we yamay. Do you see how she are breathway? Or therefore, Yada was sick, Yada was sick. Yawaya dos. Why am I free? What in a more? Why am I so? I'm in a Kunima Botrena Bob. We are mammy, we are. Why am I free? What woman am I? Why am I so? Mammy, I am Primo. What do you Kunima Botrena Bob? We are mammy, we are. Oh, mammy, that run from Edibia. Would you do me credit me for what's in this? We are mommy, we are. Oh, mommy, I am able so. We are mommy, we are. Oh, people, many women you saw in Jesus. We are mommy, we are. We are mommy. Why am I from Suanidian? Where am I defending me fever when you nara? Nada, you know me, we are. What a big blow, my time for you anymore. Oh, mommy, grew I remember so Jesus, yeah. We are, we are, we are, we are, we are, we are, oh, we are my way, we are, we are, we are, we are, we are, we are, mommy, we are, mommy. We are, mommy, we are, mommy. We are, mommy, we are, mommy. We are, mommy. What do we blow my time for you? Oh, mama, time for you now. We are so. I rather let you put him on my time for so. We are, mommy. Woman, big to tell me, come on, big to tell me, Thank you, Lord.
Kataria Mandoria Naka Mandere Masata. Oh, bra. Wauka Asta. Nauka Madaka. Brana Emma Solitia. What you want for Emma? What is Sandra? What is Sandra? I'll be with a Miss Dumi. matter for sure. Timmy for my way young for sure. Apara Meso. Oh yeah. Don't you bother me. Apara Meso. Baby, I'm Anano Yadi Daniel Kotuja Tamiram Brana Daniel Yashi No Namu Kai Daniel Oh Mura Kami Kami Okrofwe Mura Kami Kami ni memba Kami ni mabushia Kami Ada Fubia Asumu Me wakama Fubia Asumebo Minamie Oti Ame Wakama Nara Otimba Ame Omira Washington Nemo Ni Otima Fubia Asu Ni Wakama Fubia Asu Ah Mi Wakama Fubia Asu Odi Ame Wakayinebo Mi Odima Fubia Asu Danyinarabo Odi Ame Aubira Wamasitwe Mi Odima Fubia Asu Tiami Sabri Aya wasa akawukwa Wasaya bo wanasemu Asiya nabo jabo Yanabo sumuo Oni yanewo ho Nano David wi Na David said Semina msumu kabi mua Eurade ne miha Apara Odi Mame Wamasiti Namo Mi Odima Fubia Asu Mi Wakama Fubia Asu Mifu Apara Mi Odima Fu Wakama Fu Asu Mifu Okoni Namio Ojima Ame Au Ma brother Mi Ojima Fubia Asu Danyinara Ojima Ame Wakayinebo Mi Ojima Fubia Asu Namasa Washa Aubira Nama Gunusa Oh Jesus Uyo Odi Mafu Danyinara Namasa Washa Oh Nama Gunusa Jesus, uyo odi mafu, odi mafu, odi mafu, odi mafu. Thank you, boy. Yes, odi mafu. Media masa, masa. Oh, Jesus, uyo odi mafu. Akwani newo, mama mama, uno sa, oh mi, uyo odi. Be a woman, I can be a woman. When I move one age, I walk. Sanya job, near in never for down. Oh, Yaminda, what? Or empowered. The Bible says, so bad to never finish bar with Yaminda, what? A bit dear mouth, of a quamma. Mirror, never. Me friend, Jesus. Okonya mi o. I am a child. Make a tabu. Oh, Mira, oh, yeah, me chama, Mira, when they make a tabua, Uyama, Yamu, Wafua, ready, Sammy Frana, Jesus. I am a woman.
Thank you everyone for listening, and we're back with Credit and Hardship with Renee and Rachel. All right. The good news is that you may be able to discharge your credit card by incorporating it into your home loan. The bad news is that the more credit cards and the credit you have, the less money you would be able to borrow through a home loan. Even a small credit card debt affects your borrowing potential considerably. We mentioned credit rating earlier, and this is one of the major factors that affects how much you can borrow. Every time you apply for a credit card or a home loan or other credits such as postpaid mobile, the credit provider does a credit check. These checks are listed on your credit file for a period of 5 years. If you have more than 5 checks per year, this can greatly affect your credit rating and the ability of being able to get a home loan. The more home loans you apply for, even though you may not get approved, they're also listed on your credit file. So just be careful when you're shopping around for a home loan that you apply for something that's achievable, and do it right the first time, so you can get it the first go. The right timely advice is the most important. Having a honest, knowledgeable, experienced broker, someone that will have your best interests at heart, to assist you in obtaining a home loan by using their product knowledge, experience, and assessment of your needs and circumstances. So the bottom line is be wary of credit card debt, and that there is a possibility of eliminating or reducing that high interest debt by incorporating it into the home loan. Anything you can add to that, Rachel?
No, I'm just thinking about the credit cards. Like, all right, I wanted to ask you a question with the credit cards. What bank do you prefer for credit cards, like in the interest rate? Would you go independent, like just say Commonwealth, like the big ones, or would you go a small one for credit cards, like a Bankwest or...
Bankwest is actually Commonwealth Bank.
Is it?
Yes.
Oh, no way.
It's a subsidiary, I believe.
Oh, wow. Okay, so, all right. So in saying that, like, what bank would you go? The one of the more popular ones? Do they charge more interest than for credit cards, or would you go one of the smaller banks that don't? Like, is there any difference with the interest rate?
There's a huge difference with the interest rate, what they're offering. A lot of them offer, interest-free periods.
Yeah.
They offer points, so you can get different bits and pieces if you're spending a lot of money.
Yeah.
That's only good if you spend a lot of money and are able to repay that quickly.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
The Platinum credit cards,
Yeah.
they offer free travel insurance.
Yeah.
And whatever goods, like white goods you buy,
Yeah.
they offer an extra year's warranty just by using that credit card.
Oh, wow. That's crazy.
So I personally bought one of those LG steam washers. It is absolutely fantastic.
Oh, that's
with my Platinum credit card.
Yeah.
Now, that had a 1 year warranty on
Yeah.
it. I purchased an extra 3 years warranty.
Yeah.
And because I paid with the credit card, I got an extra year. So
That's all right.
5 years on
Wow.
one of the latest washer dry.
That's pretty good.
machines.
That's pretty good. Okay, it just came to mind. Would you rather prefer, I know this is a crazy question, but would you rather prefer Visa or MasterCard for a credit card?
Personally, I prefer Visa.
And the reason why? Because I know everyone prefers a Visa card, but why is the reason?
It used to be accepted more than a MasterCard in the past.
Yeah.
So that sort of I don't know what you'd call it. That selling point sort of has stayed. Like, for example, they promoted Macs had less viruses.
Yeah.
Back in the past. Well, everything's changed.
Yeah.
They've gone to an Intel chipset. There are a lot of viruses that attack the Mac as well as the PC.
Yeah.
So, but that selling point is still there.
Oh, okay.
Because they've branded the Mac as having less viruses because of that.
Okay.
Same with a Visa card versus MasterCard.
Yeah.
You asked me whether I'd go with a major bank or a smaller institution like even a credit or a building society.
Yeah.
One thing you need to consider is whether they're part of listed in the Financial Ombudsman Services.
Oh, okay.
fos.gov.au, I believe.
Yeah.
If you experience hardship, they're bound by the consumer credit code.
Oh, okay.
So if they're like the major banks are listed under FOS.
Yeah.
So if you get into a spot of trouble, you can actually approach the bank and have them assist you in the hardship situation.
Yeah.
And if you run into difficulties with that, you can even apply through the Financial Ombudsman Services to negotiate a reasonable outcome between you and the bank.
Yeah. Okay, final, I was just thinking of something with the home loans, and I know that today everyone houses are being bought everywhere. What would what would be a good percentage? Sometimes people go for 5. They say that they just pay the mortgage longer, or they'll go for 20%. What would, in your own perspective, what would be a percentage, say, for a deposit for a house? Would it be 20? Would be the best 20, or would it be 5 in the long run?
Ooh.
Because I know there's more interest in when you pay, if your deposit is smaller, you pay longer and the interest is higher.
That's right. It's all to do about the LVR, the sort of the lending ratio to the value of the home. If it's at 90% or above, you're required to take out insurance.
Okay.
Which costs quite a fair bit.
Yeah.
So if you're at 80%, you don't need that insurance.
Oh, okay. Okay. But does that all add up?
Everything sort of adds up.
Yeah.
You have to consider the bank that you go with, whether they're listed under FOS.
Yeah.
The establishment fees, some people or some institutions charge valuation fees. There's a whole list of different fees that they charge, but generally the major banks charge an entrance and an exit fee.
Yeah.
The exit fee's usually not too bad. But if you start changing your loans, every time you take out or apply for a loan or a change of loan or amendment, that gets listed on your credit file.
Wow.
So if you exceed those 5 checks per year, you're going to have problems with your credit rating.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, that's all I wanted to know.
All right. Well, thank you for listening. Next week we'll be talking about other ways to tackle credit card debt, home loans and hardship. And now for more music from Down Under Community Radio.
Yeah. Pama to a stresso. Mama Subante Abasa said, brother, so there was there, and then you know me, babe. There were Bamabu Amani, that's what I am. Miss Romy says, in Mama, now maybe I show me one pneumonia. There was there, and then you know me, babe. There were Bamabu Amani, that's what I am. So me say in mama wo me dia same wani monya oh makame unta Samiri do remember. Never want you good da. Emma what time for you to see one trust over him. Bena makasa wana kwankro na baba. Emma wana kwankro so da. So much ya masam. Na benante makwaso. Mema wani. Bena me kwa kwan to die kwan die. Mema boyin power so. The Wawali attack.